Hey, welcome everyone. Kevin LaRocque here with Binary Pro Strategies. Today is Monday, February 11th of 2019, and we're going to go over all the trades that I made live in our chat room today. I just wanted to mention one thing about any kind of service that you're going to subscribe to is there's a couple things that are real important. Number one, do they actually trade the system themselves? And number two, do they demonstrate it to you live? Do they show you that they're executing their trades? Are they calling the signals out in advance? Are they placing the trades themselves? That's real important. Anybody can put out signals. It doesn't tell us that it's profitable. Anybody can say sell here, buy here, unless they're doing it themselves, and you can see what their fills are. That doesn't help you either. All the trades that I show on these videos are the trades that I have personally made, that I do make in front of all my students in my chat room. I call them either in advance. Most of them are called in advance, and or at the time that I'm actually executing the order. But everything is fully disclosed, and I'm here to help my students make money. I'm not here to provide signals. I am not a signal provider. I'm an educator, and so I'm here to educate. And the best way to educate is to watch somebody actually do it themselves. I've been doing this for over 35 years. I've traded everything from futures to stocks to you name it. And I feel binary options offer the best opportunity to not only make money, but to make money consistently. I look at trading like I look at it as a paycheck. I'm here to make a paycheck every day. And so my goal is to be profitable every day. That's not always the case, but most days I am going to be profitable. So I want to let's take a look at some of these trades today, and I'll show you exactly how I manage my size. I go through this a lot in my videos, but it's real important. Today was an awesome day, really strong day. But once again, I didn't just start off putting on heavy numbers. You can see that I started with single lots, and then I only hit it when I got a real strong signal from my crystal ball method. And also the way I trade, I have two strategies. One is designed to trade when the market is running and has really good market flow. The other one is designed when the market goes sideways. So the combination of both of those allow me to trade in pretty much any kind of market condition. So let's take a look at my results. So what we're looking at here is, you can see here is I always start today with my core strategy. It is designed to trade first thing in the morning when we have a little bit market flow. Market flow is a condition you kind of see over here on this chart a little bit. You see the market, how it moves up and it comes down. That's really good market flow. What I don't want to be trading in is I don't want to be trading these sideways markets, and I have a very unique method that identifies when a market is not only in good market flow, but when it's getting ready to die off. And I can also tell that usually in advance whether market flow is going to die off in a particular pair or not. And if I see that it's getting ready to die off, I'll stay out of that particular pair. So the strategies that I teach are all proprietary. I don't use any indicators. I'm not a big believer in indicators. Everything is in the charts. Everything is in the patterns. And I'm talking about very unique patterns. I'm not talking about head and shoulders and channels and all that. These are very unique behavioral patterns that I trade off of, and they've been holding up for many, many years, over 35 years. And they do work across the board, whether you're trading just outright forex or you're trading binaries or futures or stocks. But anyhow, what's really important when it comes to trading binaries, you have to learn how to manage size. And you can see I always start the day with single lots. And actually, my first 5 trades of the day were actually winners. Now, one of the things I always teach my students is you come in with an objective. You take a couple trades and you get out. You hit your objective, whatever it is, usually increments of $50, but even it's only 25. You hit it and you get out. I trade all day long only because I have a chat room. So I'm going to continue to trade. I don't recommend everybody do that. But if you have the time and you want to trade, there is that opportunity to trade all day. That's certainly up to you. I certainly don't recommend it as if you're a new trader. Anyhow, you can see I was doing single lots here for most of the day and only really did any size when I had some really strong crystal ball setups, which told me the market was going to move or not. See, I did a 10 lot here and I hit it nice. Then once again, see, I go back to onesies again, hit it again with a 10 lot and so forth. And that's what I trade. I do that day in and day out, and that's what's allowed me to give me a profitable day almost every single day. and I also trade at night, and most all my nights are profitable as well. So that's the key, and I can teach you how to do the same. But anyway, still end of the day beautifully up 811.50. Not a bad Monday. What a great way to start the week, and I expect the rest of February to be really strong as well, which historically it usually is. So anyhow, if you do like my videos, please support me by giving me a thumbs up. If you have any comments, questions, please leave them below, and I'll come back and answer any of those for you. Also, if you go to my website, binaryprostrategies.com, you can get a hold of my fundamental video, which does go through the basics of the core system, and there is a lot of really good information in there, and that still is free of charge. Just go to my website, put in your email address, and I'll shoot you a link so you can go ahead and watch that fundamental video. Anyway, that's it. I'll be back on Tuesday for my next daily recap. Y'all take care.